Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best alternative for the BTV or Cinema HD application on a Fire Stick. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And the very first step is getting the app called Downloader to your device. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. You will click on it, give it a moment to load, and now here is that app, which you need to get. But then after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because still you need to set it up. So in order to use Downloader now, let's go to the settings, here we are, open them, and then go to My Fire TV, and now from here we'll need to turn on the developer options, but on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to installation of the unknown apps, and from here you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back to a list of apps on your device, and there is Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in here is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So head straight back into a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So the app opens, and now actually we'll need 2 different codes, because the first one will give you the app access, and the second one is a media player, which is a must if we want this app to work. So now the first code is going to be 2900497. So that's for the first application. You click on next, and in a couple of moments, the download of the app should start. So let's just give it that moment. And yeah, the download has started successfully. So it has downloaded, then you click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. So just give it some time. And after that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, as this way you get that amazing option to delete the unnecessary installation files from your device. So just click delete and delete once again. And now straight away we'll go back to the search bar, as there's one more app, as I said previously, that needs to be installed. So it's gonna be the media player, which we gotta get. Now the code for the media player is gonna be 6655125. Once again, it is 6655125. That's the code it's gonna be. Click on it, and now we should soon start the download of the second application. So yeah, I'll just move my camera a bit. Now this web page has opened up. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, you might have to click on that blue consent button. And now the download of the second application has also started. So we give it some time for the download to finish. And then the process is pretty much the same as it was with the first application. We just have to install the app itself and give it some time, and then you'll get an option to delete the unnecessary installation files from your device. So that is pretty much straightforward. Now we get back to a list of applications on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and usually the new apps should appear somewhere here in that list. However, now in our case, only the media or video player has appeared. So in that case, if it happens to you as well, there is a bit of a different process to access the app itself. You would need to go to settings. So here are the settings. Then go to the applications folder and then click on manage installed apps. Now we click on it, and basically you scroll down until you find this application. That's the one which we just installed. You click on it, and then you press the launch application button. Of course, as always, make sure not to forget to keep your VPN connected. And if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use a link below this video to get yourself an amazing deal for Nord. Then click on the launch application button. And now I had to blur out my screen because of the YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically it is an app which is pretty much like BTV or Cinema HD. It's amazing and got a lot of content. So if the video is helpful, make sure to hit the like button below. It truly helps me a lot. And as always, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.